Right guys, this is the install video for the facelift cowl on the bonnet only. If you're after the install video for the Thermos, we do have one of them too. These are some of the tools that you're going to require to do this job. So we have a pneumatic nut inserter. You can purchase just a hand operated one. You want to start by removing the cowl. Now there are 9 clips to remove it. You do want to be careful how you remove these because you're going to reuse them, guys. Once you remove it, I do recommend using a step drill to take the nutsert holes out to 10mm. If you use a normal drill, there is a chance you could damage the bonnet. So yeah, definitely use a step drill in this process. Yep, so you want to prep the hole, deburr it as much as you can to make that nut insert slide in as easy as it can. Once you've deburred the hole, you'll go ahead and prep it and just seal it back up so you don't get any rust on your bonnet. Right, like I said earlier guys, if you don't have a pneumatic nut inserter, you can get hand operated ones, much cheaper. Your local Repco, Trade Tools, Sydney Tools, they'll have one for you. But this sort of makes it quite easy, and they obviously don't have a nut on the back. This one does it all for you, makes the job a lot easier, so I definitely recommend using the nut inserts on this. So we're removing the old mounting tabs at the back right now. This is where we get our extra room for the fan kit so that it does seal and not rub. So we're using an air hacksaw right now. You can just use a normal hacksaw. This one does a pretty quick job of it. So yeah guys, you're gonna take this off square, as you can see we're doing here. Just make it look pretty, neaten it back up. That's probably the biggest thing with this. And this is your mounting bracket. So you just test fit it here, so you can get an idea of where it's gonna go. It just slides underneath the rubber there. Once you've sort of got an idea of where it's gonna go on the cowl, this is mounting it up. So you're gonna loosely mount it. I wouldn't put it up firm right now, just enough for it to hold on there and start mounting the cowl. Start by putting the clips in the front of the cowl, and then you work your way back to the bottom of the cowl. Once you've done that and secured it correctly, the last thing to do is tighten up the back of the cowl and the nuts. Make sure they're all secure. Just make sure you're underneath that rubber, not over the rubber. You don't want the steel surface on the intercooler, you want the rubber on the intercooler. And that's it guys, that's the cowl mounted up. If you have any further questions, shoot us an email or give us a call.